Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to save a project in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you don't have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments you can play. We can get started with the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to save our track and our music as a project and our project when we are finished. So let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. Even though it works the same for any instrument that you open up, it's going to be the same menu. I'm just going to open up audio recorder right here, and it's going to open up this new menu where, as you can see, we can get started recording ourselves, editing our track and so on. So with the big red circle, you can get started recording, managing your tracks, and now in the upper left corner, I'm going to click into mixing mode to take a look at my tracks that I have right here. And once I've satisfied with my song and my project and I want to save it, this is what I have to do. So all you have to do to save your project is just go right here into the upper left corner, click on this arrow pointing downwards. After clicking on the arrow, as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu. You want to click at my songs. As you can see, it's going to save it, and now your project, the .band file, is going to be saved in GarageBand Recents. But if you want to export your project and maybe send it to somebody or share it to your PC or whatever, you want to go ahead and hold on your project name, and it's going to open up this new menu with a lot of options, and one of the options is called share. So after clicking on share, it's going to open up this new menu, and as you can see, one of the options is called project. We can go ahead and tap to send this GarageBand project to anybody, or we can save it as a song or whatever we want. You can choose your options right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.